Hello everyone, I'm Ashley Guru, your avatar friend. Today we will take you into the world of creativity and storytelling. We will show you some software that will allow you to create personalized storybooks with fantastic illustrations and more. You will even have access to a voice that can narrate your story. All of this in just a few minutes and with extreme ease. Let's follow the tutorial created by my colleague Avatar. Over to you, Oliver.
Thank you, Ashley. Hello, everyone. Let's start with We Made a Story. It's perfect if you have children who can't wait to listen to fantastic bedtime stories. This software provides everything you need to create stories in just a few minutes. These are examples of pre-made storybooks. Now, let's create our own story. After easily registering with your email, the creation page will open right away. We can select the age of the children the story is intended for, and the software will automatically write the story based on the age group. If we don't have initial ideas, we can ask the software for help and get inspired. Now, let's try providing an input for our story. A UFO spacecraft lands on Earth. Let's see what the software creates. Here's our storybook. On the left, there's the written story, and on the right, fantastic illustrations. If you want, you can turn your storybook into an audiobook.
The enlightening encounter. In the small, quiet town of Meadowfield, life was simple and predictable. Neighbors greeted each other with warm smiles, children played in the park, and everyone knew everyone. But one evening, everything changed. A mysterious light appeared in the sky, growing brighter and larger.
For each page, there's corresponding audio narration generated by the software. We can regenerate the story's images. Look at how many artistic styles this software offers. Now let's try creating another story, getting inspired by the software. It automatically writes the input to create the storybook. Let's also change the style. Let's try cinematic. Let's see the final result. Wow, it's beautiful! Look at how realistic the drawing style is. Again, we have automatic narration here.
The Enchanted Forest. Once upon a time, in a small town lived a curious and kind-hearted young girl named Lily. Lily was not like other children. She was always curious about the world around her, and she had a heart full of kindness.
The speed at which this software allows us to create all this is incredible. You can also download and print your storybooks. I can't wait to see all the other styles that the software offers. Try it out. Another software that will make you feel like an artist is Custom Story Creator. It allows you to create storybooks with a unique and personalized style. Let's try it out. Let's write the same prompt here of the alien spacecraft landing on Earth. We can choose the language we want. We can adjust the number of pages and illustrations to our liking. We can choose the style we want. Let's try cyberpunk comic. Let's see the result. Here's the cover of our storybook. Let's go to story. The story is ready to be read. Look at the beautiful drawings. There are fantastic details. We can find our stories by clicking here. Now let's try the automatic generation of the prompt. In an instant, the software will provide us with its story ideas. Let's try changing the style. Let's insert manga. Here's our story. Look at how different but equally perfect the style is. This way, and at this speed, you can create stories without limits and without any difficulty. This software, once tried, will make you want to try all the stylistic proposals it offers. Your stories, you can not only see your work, but also find options to manage your stories, including download to create fantastic paper storybooks. It's worth trying at least once. StoryWizard AI is a game changer in the world of education, perfect for both parents and teachers. This software not only allows you to create engaging stories with animations and a narrator, but it also includes educational activities for text comprehension at the end of the story. Let's see how it works. We can easily register with our email. Let's go to Create Story. We choose the protagonist of our story. Look at the variety of choices we have, and the most incredible thing is that we can insert our own protagonist, whether it's your children, your dogs, whoever you want. Now let's select Girl. Let's choose a name. Briefly describe our story idea. And let's see the result. Here's our cover. Let's go towards story. Our book is ready, and the graphics are fantastic too. We also have a narrating voice here.
Once upon a time, in a small town called Greenville, there lived a curious girl named Sally. She had big, bright eyes that always sparkled with wonder.
And the amazing thing is that the word tracking is perfect for reading practice. We can edit the text as we like, regenerate new images. And let's see the other pages. It's fantastic. Once the story is finished, the educational activity can begin. It's truly perfect, professional, and, above all, highly stimulating for children and young people. Try it out and make learning fun. Let's move on to Storybook. It's fantastic too. The difference with this software is that once we enter the prompt, it gives us the opportunity to choose the emotion and literary genre of the story. Let's register easily with our email. Answer these simple questions. Now let's create our story. This software also allows us to choose the protagonist or make anyone we want the main character. Here, we can choose the illustration style. Let's try cartoon. Insert our prompt. To hit the right target, let's specify the age group the story is intended for. Let's choose the main theme of our story. This feature is excellent based on the theme. It can rewrite the same story in a new way. Since we're talking about aliens, let's choose inclusivity. Let's choose a language. We can also choose a second language. Let's see the result. Wow, look at how professional and creative it is. At the top, we have the commands to manage our story. Here too, we have the option for narration, but it requires an upgrade. We can edit as we like. We can print our storybook here. Look at how beautiful the illustration style is. It would be great to try out all the styles. One truly nice thing is the reflection prompts that we find at the bottom of the page, truly useful and educational. If we don't have any prompt ideas, we can get inspiration from the ideas provided by the software. Look, the prompts are also divided into categories. The creative and organizational power of this software is truly amazing. Try it out. That's all for today. See you soon.
Thank you, Oliver. You've been fantastic. These software tools enable anyone to explore their creativity. They are perfect for educational purposes, for teachers and parents, as well as for entrepreneurial ventures, allowing you to easily create your collection of storybooks. That's all for today. Follow the channel so you don't miss any other updates. See you in the next video.